In this Humata review, I'm going to be showing you a software in which you could be, chatting with docs, website, and also video. So this is basically an AI research assistant tool. So this can help you chat with these docs, websites, and videos. I'm going to show you how you can do all of that later in this video on this tutorial of Humata. But now let's have a look at what AppSumo has got to say. At any time during this video, if you want to get Humata, you can check the link down in the description. And also you could be getting a 10% discount if you're like a new user of AppSumo. And also one thing I want to mention is that currently Humata is sold out in AppSumo. It's because a lot of people are buying Humata, which is why it is sold out at the moment of recording this video, but it's going to be again on the market very soon. And also if you look at some of the features of it, it can be an alternative to copy.ai, Dropbox. Then you have Notion. It's best for customer support, sales managers, and also small businesses. So some of the features you could be getting is like you could be chatting with the PDFs and documents to extract key insight in an instant. I'm going to show all of that. You can connect your knowledge base, you can generate precise answers. So this is like a screenshot. So you could be typing in the prompt like what you want to find out in that particular document. Maybe your document is like 900 pages or it's a lot of page, and you want to find out certain things in certain area. All you have to do is just type in. You have to just chat with the doc, and you can basically get where those specific parts are from. So you could be also uploading like YouTube videos, scripts and all of that. So that's how this is gonna work. You can upload video links, you can receive summaries, clarification, and specific informations. Then you can also like add an AI chatbot to your website. You can streamline information across multiple documents. You can do all of that. Then you can also add your team members to the platform as well. You can add your assistants and all of that. And the app has 3 license tier. So the lifetime access, so the first tier is, the price and all is not shown because currently it's sold out. So you have the license tier 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the only difference is you can see the total questions you could be asking and the total pages, and also the number of users you could be getting into the platform. So that's the difference in the license tier. And all of the other things are basically the same. You can upload all the documents, you could get admin inside analytics, you could be getting API for all the license tier, you can chat with YouTube videos with all the license tier. So basically all of that is pretty normal. So now let's go to Humata. So this is the dashboard, and you can upload by clicking here. It can be PDF, docx, doc, then pptx, ppt, txt. And also you could be uploading to websites and YouTube videos as well. For the sake of the video, I'm going to show you how you could upload a doc file. So I have this fitness handbook. I'm going to show you that. So it has been uploaded. Now let me show you. So I have to just select this. I have to select it like this, and I have to ask it. So this is where you could be asking all of your doubts. So this is basically a fitness book I got online. So I don't know who it actually belongs, but it's basically free. So this is the book. It has got about 50 to 60 pages, I guess. It has got about 50 pages. So let me ask it something. So let's how to effective way. So I'm going to ask the assistant that. So it's going to extract what's in the book, and it's going to appear on this side. So it basically chats. So that's why it's like chatting with the doc. So that's where it got the name, and it will like load right now. So as you can see, it has basically told me the answer to the question, So it's progressive overload, structured workout routine, repetition range, recovery, nutrition, and consistency. So that's how it works. Now if you want to go to a particular topic, all you have to do is like just press this. So if you press that, it will basically highlight. Okay, so I've pressed this, so it has, I think this is where it shows. Okay, it basically shows the workout routines. If I go to the second one, so this is the second split, I guess. Okay, so if you go to the recovery, so that's the third, it will basically go to the place where and it will show it highlighted. So it talks about recovery. So if you want to know a greater things about that, you have to just go to those pages. If I want to go to progressive overload, I will go to 3, and this is where they got the information. So that's how it works. And also you could be making a report, so you can create a new AI report with that. So that's basically it for this tutorial of Humata. And if you want to check it out, you can check it out by clicking the first link in the description. Currently it's sold out, but you can wait for it. You might see it sooner or later. Have a you can check it out by clicking the first link in the description. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.